Welcome back to another Move It Monday video as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator and assistant to the regional coordinator for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. The Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge is happening all throughout the month of April, and we encourage you to find out more information about that by clicking on the link in the video description. It will take you to our Google Drive with more information and all of the material for this challenge. Today we are making a very special Move It Monday activity because we are also theming this as Meditation Monday, and we are going to concentrate on our mental health and our mindfulness exercises by making a meditation bottle. And I have two great helpers today. They are
Honesty
and Chloe.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a bottle to make your meditation bottle in. And today we're using this size, but you can really use any type of plastic bottle. This is an old peanut butter jar, a honey jar, but you really want it to be plastic so it's durable and it has a screw-on lid. So the other things you're going to need are
Glitter, a spoon, and hot glue gun.
and then you'll need glue, a bowl, and warm water, and food dye.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to make our meditation mixture. And so what we want is some warm water. So we have a microwave safe container. So here we're using a large measuring cup, and we heated the water so it's warm but not boiling. And you want enough water to be about an ounce less than what your bottle will hold. So these are like 12-ounce bottles, so we want about 11 ounces of water for our mixture. So I'm going to add some warm water to both Honesty's bowl and then to Chloe's bowl. Okay, so next we want to add our glue. So this is what's going to make our meditation mixture thicker and make our glitter interesting as it settles. So we recommend that you use about a third the volume of your bottle. So since we're using this side, we're going to use about a third that of glue. So you don't have to measure it exactly. You can just sort of eyeball it. I'm going to add glue to Honesty's bowl here, and then to Chloe. And then once the glue is in there, you can stir. Be careful when you stir, you don't want to spill. Okay, your meditation mixture can be any color that you like. So if you like the clear look like this, you don't have to add any food coloring. But if you want to add food coloring, this is the time to do that. So we have a selection of food coloring. Honesty has already picked out her choice.
Blue-green.
Blue-green. So she's going to add 2 to 3 drops. And remember, you can always add more, but you can't take that color back out. So start with 2 or 3 drops, and Chloe's going to add hers.
So pretty.
And she chose cherry red.
Look how that looks with me.
Beautiful. Make sure you're happy with your color. And so I'm going to give Chloe a bottle, and Honesty has hers. And so what you want to do is you want to start off with a little bit of mixture in your bottle before you add your glitter. That will help prevent it from sticking and clumping at the bottom. So I'm going to assist Honesty as she pours it. So be careful. You can ask an adult to help you. We're using these silicone bowls, which is actually helpful because you can kind
They're
of
flexible.
make it a spout to pour. So see, I just have a layer there, and then she's going to add her glitter. So these girls have chosen 3 different glitters. You want to hold your bottle there. So 3 different glitters. You can also choose a variety of size of glitter. So we have chunky and fine. If you had sequins or any kind of like foam balls you wanted to add, you could do that. It would just add a little bit more interest to your meditation bottle. So just a couple of sprinkles into your jar. Okay, once you're happy with your color and the amount of glitter that you added, it's time to fill up your bottle. So you're going to fill it up with your mixture. You want to go as close to the top as you can, like honesty here, but you do not want to overfill it. So I'm going to help Chloe as she pours hers. And we're just going to fill it up. So now it's so full, so Chloe's going to gently set it down. If you don't fill all the way up to the top, you will have a little bit of like an air bubble in that, so that's why the closer you get, the better. So now we're going to add our top, but to make sure we don't spill it later, especially if we accidentally drop our bottle, we're going to put a layer of glue around the lid. So hot glue here, so we're just going to put hot glue all around the lid, and then quickly before it cools, you're going to screw it onto your bottle.
Make more.
So screw it on there really tight. Make sure you're going all the way down on your bottle. And then just go ahead and let it set for a minute so it hardens before you start playing with it. So Honesty, if you'll hand me your top. Want to screw it on there. So it won't take long for the hot glue to firm up. I bet Chloe's is actually already finished. So then for your meditation bottle, you can start using it. So when you're feeling kind of overwhelmed, or if you get upset, or maybe you just need a moment, you can swirl your meditation jar, get all of that glitter going, and then as it settles, just concentrate on watching the glitter as it goes to the bottom. And then by the time it settles, you're more likely to feel calm and that you could use it as like an exercise tool. And that's like as a timer. So the smaller containers, especially if you use that, you can figure out how long it takes for that glitter to all settle down, and that can be your exercise timer. If it takes 3 minutes, that means if you exercise for 3 minutes, and then you'll know when it's time to switch to a different exercise. So there's lots of different ways to use this. It's a really fun thing. I have one on my desk and I use it, so I hope that you will try a meditation bottle. This activities guide sheet is available on the Google Drive for Strive for Health. You can find that in the video description of this video. And be sure to check out more of our videos as we continue the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. And we hope to see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.